4 a.m. Guys, I'm actually not alone on this trip. I brought Jungkook with me, so he's going to give me strength. He's going to give me energy. He's going to give me life. Why is it with a sad song, I'm singing along, I'm vibing, and fucking Stray Kids, Backdoor by Stray Kids, I was sobbing during it. One hour in, 9 to go. 9.5. 1.5 hours. Doesn't matter. If you have to go on I-35, look out. Like, you have to stay right. Like, I don't know. Stay left, stay right. I'm just driving here. Aping. The Jungkook cold brew. It's been sitting in my fridge for so long. That shit is at least a year old. So, oh my god, does it expire? No. Anyways, it's pretty nutty, which I definitely prefer to more like acid or fruity taste. It almost smells like wood. That's a sign. That's a sign if I ever saw one.
Keep left to merge onto I-44 West toward Tulsa.
God, it's fucking hot. I'm so close, but I got the Diet Coke, so I obviously had to pee. But like 20 some minutes left. Can't lose focus now. Can't lose my grip. Let's go. Marley Smith. Do an Irish kick. Do an Irish kick. Why?
But I finished up a cover letter today for a job in Chicago.
Yeah, you're going to hell.
Hey, it's good. Chloe just got here.
Wait.
We're outside Bob Dylan Center.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
She is neurodivergent. She's ADHD. She's neurodivergent, which means that she likes to dress up her eunuch servant as her ex-wife, and have him sing songs on the violin to her when she gets sad. All while, as I said, Christians are burning in the background. And now you might think to yourself, I have a house, and you might say to yourself, I got a car.
I think they're better than Jewel Donuts. What? Remember these? No. Violet.
These are the sisters.
Oh, it definitely tastes like you're drinking a vitamin. What do you think?
Interesting.
It's kind of disgusting, but in a way that I want more.
kiss on the lips and she about to give you a kiss. Nasty.
Eats cowboy caviar, jalapenos, but it's pretty darn good.
East.
Hello. Now this is a salad. It's raining. You know, we out here with the Fernet Branca. Good doggy. Good boy. ramen in Arizona. That's fucking fire. That's fucking fire. Then it's Bombay. Yeah. They have an entire cart of like indie hot sauces, so I got 3. This is fucking insanely hot. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. Oh my god. This. Good. Good. I think this one's best. Dude, this one is literally the number 9 on Hot Ones season 15. Like, and I like put a chunk of it as if it was Cholula, but like it's way bigger than that. I'm still recovering. The other ones like light work. Okay, that was too much. It's literally 4:52. I already had dinner and 2 drinks. I want to go to bed. But I just met this lady Dee Dee outside and her dog, Honey Boo Boo. And she was talking about this karaoke bar. They're doing karaoke at 8. Literally. This sound, the breeze, it's so nice. It's so nice.
Feels good to be the bad guy. Do we have been dealing? 너보다 컴한 기분 그저 느껴봐 술을 나를 마신 잔에서
Just 4 more hours to go. We are in California. I was stopped by the border patrol where everybody has to stop, and he said, do you have any produce? And I said, I thought, and I look over, I have this peanut butter, my fresh ground peanut butter. And I was like, just this. He was like, you're good with that? You got any tortillas with you? And it took me a second. I was, oh no, I wish. I don't eat at Portillo's. He was like, me too. And then he was like, you're good. So, what is that? A little anecdote. I'm about to be there though. It really, like 4 hours feels like nothing at this point. Here we go. Woo woo! Ah! Crashes. Airbag does not deploy. I fucking did it. Wow. Boy bands. Libby scarf. No me baño. Guitar. Nayo. Columbia bag. Roy Lichtenstein. My own work. My own work. Some, you know, we're working on that. Books. And pièce de resistance, the knickknacks on Jack's shelves.